Hi guys, we're in the kitchen with my mom, Indy. Today she will be showing you how to cook oxtail. Stay tuned.
Hi guys, we're back in the kitchen with Indy, and this is our marinated oxtail, marinated for 24 hours. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these oxtails out without the seasoning on them. Like, I'm gonna pick them out and we're gonna brown them. So I will show you that now. So what I have done is I have taken some of the oxtails out. I'm slowly browning them. I take them out of the seasoning. We want to leave back all the bits and onions. We don't want them to burn with the oxtail. So we pick them out. So it's a tedious, it takes a little bit of time, but it's all worth it. We're just gonna brown them, and when they're brown, I'll show you guys the next step. I flipped them, and now we're doing the other side. See the color on those? Ooh, that's what we want. Those beautiful colors. I smell this green seasoning. It smells amazing. I'm going to make a video making my green seasoning also. Don't worry, it's coming, guys. This was our first batch. It's already browned, sitting on the side now. I'm doing the second batch. I'm gonna turn these ones very soon. I took them out of the seasoning. All the seasonings left back. This is what is going to make our delicious gravy. Once I cook it down, this is gonna be amazing. So now that our oxtail has browned, we're on to the next step. I like to start with a clean pot. I washed it out. Everything is ready to go. This is the seasoning left behind. This is going to cook super fast. This is the oil. I strained it off. It's very flavored right now. That's what I'm going to use to cook down this stuff. We're going to chop up another onion, more green onion, a carrot, some garlic, some scotch bonnet, some more thyme. This is ketchup for later, and some butter beans for later. I'm also maybe gonna make some mixed veggies on the side, but this is basically it. And here we go. I poured the seasoned oil back into our pot. I'm going to add our onions. It's on about medium heat, I guess. Garlic. A little bit of green onion. This is all fresh stuff. My favorite, thyme. You know me, I'm all about seasoning the oil. More pimento. We're gonna cook that down, let it soften a little bit. Once it's softened, we're going to add our oxtail. So once I cook down the other onions and the thyme and everything again with the stuff, now we are going to add our hot water. I like to use hot water because it keeps the temperature. It doesn't take as long to cook. See, already boiling. Cover it up. Oh, probably need some more water. Gonna boil some more. And yep, this is it. We're gonna let this simmer for a couple hours. And then we'll see. This has been bubbling away for about an hour. So what I'm going to do now is add back some of that seasoning, this seasoning. I'm going to put it all into here. I have some more water. So this has been cooking for 1 hour, okay? So I'm gonna add more water, fill it up again, cover it. Now those seasonings are gonna melt down and flavor this oxtail and this gravy. And yeah, in about 2 hours, we'll be good to go. I just added a bit of water to the rest of the seasoning. I'm just gonna add that in now. And let that bubble back up. So this is 1 hour later. So we're down to our last hour. So now I would like to add in my onions, my carrots, I forgot one thing, you know, I had to taste it. You always taste the gravy. I forgot my chicken cube. But this is just a half a chicken cube because it's seasoned very nice already. But I knew there was one little thing missing, you know. And this is it. This just sweetens it up. This is like a Maggi cube. Very delicious. Adds amazing flavor. And we're almost there, guys. You know, this is oxtail though. Like, oxtail takes forever to cook. Like, you know, this is why I don't cook oxtail that often, and I don't really eat beef too tough. But when it comes down to some oxtail, I put in the time, I put in the love. Yo, me I eat this nice. Smells amazing in the house. You guys are going to love this. Almost forgot our ketchup. Just a little tips. That's it. Mix that in a little bit. We're almost there. Last step. We're gonna cook this down for about 45 minutes. And then we're gonna come back and add our butter bean. Cook it down for another 15 minutes and then we're done. Finally. Don't forget to turn it down at the last 45 minutes. Turn it down to about medium-low heat. Let the juices just soak up into the meat and simmer very slowly for the last 45 minutes. Then we add the butter beans, and then 15-20 minutes, done. That's it. See you soon. So now we are going to add our butter bean. I have my butter beans here, rinsed, clean, nice. Just let these settle in. And then we're almost there. We have 20 minutes left. Let this simmer and we will be there soon. Almost done, you guys. So I turned the heat back up, got it bubbling like this. Cooking up now. And then turn it down again for the last 15 minutes, down to medium low. And we're almost there. We made it to the end, you guys. This is it. See all that meat falling off the bone. Fallen, soft, tender, delicious. And that's it. There you have it. Oxtail and butter bean. Hit the subscribe button, the like button, share, comment. Let me know what other recipes you guys want to see. Pure deliciousness. Thanks for watching. See you next time in the kitchen with Indy.
Even though rice is good.
It's hot, you know.
I know. So good.
Is it soft?
Very. Like falling off. It's very yummy. The booze can cool it down.